It's been a week and my pond is doing great. The submerged plants are coming out of the water surface. The floating plants have grown new pups. And the fishes are becoming more active and lively. On the third day, it rained heavily, so I made a few holes at the top of the box to let the excess water flow out without disturbing the plants. Today is a sunny day as I noticed the level of water went low by evaporation, so I added a mug of clean water at the top. Also, it is important to remove at least 10% of the water and add filtered fresh water every week to reduce ammonia and algae growth and increase oxygen circulation. This will make both the fishes and plants happy. When I introduced my fishes to this new setup, they were a little scared and shy to come up to the surface and hid inside the clay pot or at the crevices of the large stones as well in between the submerged plants. Today, I can clearly see that whenever I come near the box, they come to the surface of the water expecting for food. So I decided to feed them live food like small worms and larvae, and as expected, they loved it. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe our channel. Till then, be sustainable and be creative.